Hi, my name is Russ Bevins, industrial designer at Nike. I've used Vida's concepts both from her books and her talks, and it's really improved not only my professional life at Nike, but also my personal life. I highly recommend Vida as a coach for you.
Vishweta, and I would like to highly recommend author, speaker, leader Vida Vidyangi Patil as a coach. I was able to use the concepts provided by her in her books and talks to improve in my work and personal life. The tools provided in the solution book are a combination of great strategies. She's always been my role model and senior in school, college, and even now I follow all her inspiring posts on social media. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Evan Gibran, and I was able to apply the concept given by Vida ma'am in a book, The Solution Book. Along with it, her various talks helped me out to figure out what life is, how to think broadly in my personal life as well as my work life. So I would highly recommend Vida ma'am as your personal mentor, your coach, life coach. Thank you.
Then there will be, accountability, and because there's going to be accountability, decision making is going to be delayed, right? And those were exactly the drawbacks that entrepreneurship helps to address. During that process, the investor is looking at, is this the right idea and is this the right entrepreneur who is going to help turn my investment into a 10x or a 20.
To think for the customers first and then fit my product there.
But you do that hard work.
We have
you do that. And how do you do that? How do you slow yourself down, take yourself out of your framework and
don't think about your product.
don't think about your product?
First
Oh
talk
my
to
god, I
customers.
love that answer.
First talk to customers.
First
Be
talk
with
to
them.
customers. Oh my god.
Don't tell them what you are doing at all.
Nice.
Understand what they are saying, what their problem is, and stick there. Don't bring your bias that you have a great problem, great solution, or whatever.
That is where out-of-box thinking comes into place, and that's where we culture the new ideas that people are thinking and then innovate. We will fail. It's okay to fail, but we have to fail fast and learn from that. AI/ML, if you're talking specific to that, it has gone through that repetitively, and the cost reduction in the hospital care that we are providing and better quality of life for the patients.
And while an entrepreneur, he's creating his own ground rules.
Right.
He's setting up his own system for how his company will do sales, how his company will do marketing, how will they do financing, how will they do, HR, how they create culture, the culture they'll create in the team, very heavily. And a lot of failures often for a startup don't come from
perhaps see some facilitation of remote monitoring, remote consulting. I don't think everything that was being done face to face will be online. I think that's neither safe nor practical. But a lot of triaging that was being done face to face can be done online. So I think some proportion of consultation, some proportion of monitoring will be pushed to a digital online.
The trend is good, but there is cyclical impact. Okay, like for example, take the case of Beyond Meat. Okay, so Beyond Meat, is trending. Okay, but because of this COVID, there is a cyclical impact, right?
Yeah.
And people cannot go to the restaurants, and it is all impacted.
Yeah.
But what Beyond Meat did very nicely is they looked at new customers. So you are in a survival mode. When you
a huge body of data that NASA has that spans 50 years, and no one has gone back until recently to mine that to train algorithms. And so that's what we've been doing in the past few years, is working with them to on the state-of-the-art program that was entrepreneurship based, and we took a team to this global competition that Tide holds every year. And
time when one reflects historically the growth of the species, the human being, whether it be changes in climate, changes in, personal matters, we cope, and we then bring in ways to really circumvent the event and do much better. And so you can't take innovation out of the human being, if you will. Animals are.
Thank you for listening to the podcast 10x Hacks for Startup and Venture Success. This is your host, Vida Patel. I'm bringing you interviews of investors and founders from Silicon Valley and across the globe. This podcast takes a lot of time and effort, so please support this by subscribing to my iTunes, SoundCloud, and LinkedIn podcast pages. Also, please leave your valuable feedback. I will try to make this podcast better with your comments. Thank you so much.